Looking for the best memory foam cervical pillow for neck pain? Look no further. Our team has done the research and compiled the top 5 options available. From traditional memory foam to cooling gel, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the list. List number 1, Royal Therapy Memory Foam Pillow. The Royal Therapy Cervical Pillow is an ideal tool for those who suffer from neck and shoulder pain. It offers both support and comfort and can be used by those who have difficulty sleeping on their back or side. You'll enjoy a better night's sleep when you use our pillow, which features ventilated double-sided foam for better airflow. Toddlers love to play, and so do you. But when you're trying to give your little one the best sleep possible, you might feel like you've grown out of the spooning position. Our Royal Therapy neck pillow can keep your toddler happily snuggled against you for as long as they want. Plus, it's built to last so that every night's good night is something special. Our memory foam cervical pillow is designed to relieve neck and shoulder pain by providing the correct sleeping posture. Made to cradle your natural curve, our neck contour pillow comes with an adjustable loft that accommodate different shoulder widths. When it comes to side sleepers, we took a new approach to create our ergonomic pillow. Unlike traditional contour pillow for side sleepers, our special foam is engineered to make a more ventilated, adjustable cervical pillow. Behind every great night's sleep is our cervical neck pillow with an ideal shape, height, and density. The unique 3-layer design allows you to adjust the memory foam contour pillow for optimal orthopedic support so you can sleep comfortably all night. Simply remove the middle layer of memory foam to customize your comfort level. List number 2, Contour Memory Foam Pillow. The Misiki Cervical Pillow is made of high-quality memory foam with moderate hardness to ensure comfortable support while sleeping. The neck pillow helps maintain a correct sleeping posture to relieve neck and shoulder pain. The bed pillow with a temperature sensing function that makes the pillow fit your neck perfectly. The butterfly-shaped pillow with cervical contour and central cavity can keep the neck naturally curved, hold your neck and head at the right height, to help maintain the natural cervical curve and alignment of the vertebrae in your neck, aims to maintain good blood flow to your neck and head, relieve pressure and remove muscles tension. This pillow is made of 100% polyurethane, known as memory foam, and 40% staple rayon plus 60% polyester fiber. Misiki Cervical Pillow is made of high-quality memory foam with moderate hardness to ensure comfortable support while sleeping. The neck pillow helps maintain a correct sleeping posture to relieve neck and shoulder pain. The bed pillow with a temperature sensing function that makes the pillow fit your neck perfectly. The pillow's dual-to-one design is specifically designed to support your neck in the right position, regardless of your physical condition. Misiki Orthopedic Pillow customized for back and side sleeping. When you sleep on your back, the natural traction of the neck and head support can reduce the pressure on the posterior skull, reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. List number 3, Elviros Memory Foam Cervical Pillow. The Elviros Memory Foam Cervical Pillow is a great aid to help you sleep comfortably. You will feel comfortable while sleeping with help from the memory foam, which offers orthopedic support and can be adjusted to fit your size. The pillow holds the neck anatomically correct in sleeping positions. It fits the neck curve, allowing the neck to bend naturally. The spine, head and neck area are ideally and correctly supported. The Elviros Memory Foam Cervical Pillow provides the perfect level of support for your neck and is ideal for back, side and stomach sleepers. The pillow holds the head anatomically correct in sleeping positions, allowing you to rest comfortably while also allowing your neck tissues to relax and decompress. The low-profile design works with any mattress and helps eliminate tossing during sleep since there are no protrusions that can get snagged on the sheets. Designed to support your neck and shoulder muscles, this cervical pillow is made of high-quality memory foam with moderate hardness and softness. It is made with cutouts on the side that give your top arm a place to rest and keep it at an angle so your shoulder is not hunching over in front of you. Pillow core is made of high-density slow rebound memory foam, meets the Certiper US standards. Uniformly punched and distributed to increase air circulation, breathable and skin-friendly. List number 4. Elviros Cervical Memory Foam Pillow. Elviros pillow is a contour by design. It follows the natural curve of your body and keeps air passages optimal. The cutouts on both sides keep your sleeping partner close, while the slope keeps your head from rolling out of a stable position. Our pillow relieves stress on your spine, increases relaxation and reduces pain. For those who suffer from chronic back pain or neck discomfort, our pillow is designed to rejuvenate your body with every sleep. Elviros Cervical Memory Foam Pillow provides optimal support for your head, neck and shoulders. Its contoured shape is well designed to support by following the natural curve of your body keeps air passages optimal for less snoring and more restful sleep. The cutout on the side gives your top arm a place to rest and keep it at an angle so your shoulder is not hunching over in front of you. A breathable surface lets air circulate to keep the pillow cool while you sleep. If you feel uncomfortable during using our cervical pillow, want to return. Elviros Ergonomic Sleeping Pillow Core is made of high-density slow rebound memory foam that will provide sleeping firm support with amazing comfort and softness. Keeps its shape and firmness for long-term use. The pillow is designed to match your neck shape by providing the best neck alignment possible for back and side sleepers. This pillow also helps to alleviate neck and shoulder pain caused by incorrect positioning throughout the night. List number 5. Sagino Cervical Memory Foam Pillow for Sleeping. The Sagino Cervical Memory Foam Pillow is a must-have for those who suffer from neck and shoulder pain caused by poor sleeping posture. Reduces tension and pressure due to the shape of the pillows. Helps maintain the correct sleeping posture. Wake up feeling refreshed, energized and ready to start each day. The pillow comes with a white pillowcase already on, along with a separately packaged gray pillowcase. Both pillowcases can be machine washed, ensuring you will always have a clean pillowcase for replacing. The pillow is made of 100% memory foam, which is soft and comfortable. It comes with 2 separately packaged gray pillowcases that can be machine washed so you can always use a clean one. The ergonomic design of the pillow helps to relieve cervical stress and resultant discomfort. The high and low profile on both sides adapts to the natural curvature of human body. Extra armrests of ergonomic pillows support your arms. The pillow may have a natural memory foam odor, which is normal and harmless to human body. You may put the pillow near window for 3-5 days before use, keep it cool and dry, avoid sunlight. We have newly upgraded the packaging. The classic packaging and the new packaging will be shipped randomly during the transition period. It features a waterproof cotton cover that's removable for easy laundering, as well as a convenient carry strap for carrying it along with you on the go. The pillow arrives with an independent gray pillowcase, allowing you to easily replace it when laundering.